In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. From there, select Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is the master list of all the accounts QuickBooks uses to organize your financial activity. Keep in mind that creating a bank account here does not connect your online banking feed. It simply creates the ledger account where your bank transactions will be recorded. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, click New in the top right corner. This opens the New Account form. Under Account Type, choose Bank. Selecting the bank account type tells QuickBooks to treat this account as a cash account, allowing you to record deposits, checks, transfers, and other banking transactions correctly. Next, choose the appropriate detail type. Select Checking if this is your primary operating account used for everyday deposits and payments. Choose Savings if the account is primarily used to hold funds or earn interest. Then enter a clear and descriptive name for the account. A good naming convention is to include the bank name along with the account type, such as ABC Bank Checking or ABC Bank Savings. If you have multiple accounts with the same bank, you can also include the last 4 digits of the account number to make them easier to identify. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your new bank account will now appear in the chart of accounts. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar or filter the list by bank accounts. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a bank account to the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Remember, this creates the accounting record only. If you also want QuickBooks to automatically download transactions from your bank, you'll need to connect the bank feeds separately.